Which floor?
F floor.
Uh-huh.
So we are here,
Yeah.
and you have to go one floor up, then you are in F.
Mm-hmm.
You can use the elevator here on your left side.
Yeah.
And then when you are in F, like engineering, mathematics, chemistry, physics, stuff like that. And then the other one is switch, then you are Institute of Technology, and in German it's called ETH.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं एक दफ़ा फिर अब्दुल समद आप लोगों से मुखातिब हूँ एक नई वीडियो में। मैं जिस तरह आप लोगों को पता है कि मैं स्विट्ज़रलैंड में हूँ और रात को मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ ठहरा स्विट्ज़रलैंड ज़्यूरिच में, और सुबह सवेरे मैं जाग गया तो मैंने देखा कि मेरे दोस्त भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं, ड्यूटी पे जा रहे हैं। तो मैंने भी अपनी तैयारी की बाहर निकलने की, क्योंकि ज़्यूरिच सिटी को मैंने एक्सप्लोर करना था। और जिस तरह मैं निकला ज़्यूरिच सिटी में, ट्राम के ज़रिए मैं सिटी तक आया, और यहाँ पर मैंने सुना यहाँ पर एक बहुत फेमस यूनिवर्सिटी है जिसका नाम है ETH Zurich। तो मैंने इरादा किया कि इसका भी हम विज़िट करें और इसके बारे में भी कुछ मालूमात हासिल करें। अच्छा, यहाँ पर एक खातून से मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी की डायरेक्शन के बारे में पूछा तो उसने मुझे यूनिवर्सिटी का डायरेक्शन बता दिया, और अभी मैं यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ जाने लगा हूँ। और चलिए देखते हैं कि यूनिवर्सिटी में अंदर हमको क्या कुछ देखने को मिलता है। अच्छा जी, तो मैं यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर दाखिल हो गया हूँ और आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि यूनिवर्सिटी काफ़ी खूबसूरत है अंदर से भी, और इसमें मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के मुजस्मे भी लगे हैं, क्योंकि ये तो टेक्नोलॉजी और साइंस की यूनिवर्सिटी है। तो इसमें इधर एक काउंटर जो है, रिसेप्शन का काउंटर है, वहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिलती है यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में कि ये किस टाइप की यूनिवर्सिटी है। चलिए इस डेस्क से पूछते हैं और उनसे पता करते हैं कि ये क्या है। ETH, yeah. Indian one, yeah, it's okay.
And it's a technical university. The next one is the regular university, the more social one. Here we just have, and there is history, languages.
What kind of, all type of engineering or?
Mechanical engineering,
yeah.
process engineering, then we have
ETH. Yeah.
If you actually study to see all the programs we offer for the students, architecture and civil engineering.
Yeah.
For example, information technology, computer science, and stuff like that. And it's from 1855, and you can visit this original locker.
Yeah.
It's on F floor. I can show you where it is. Just go straight to the end and left, and somewhere here you see one locker with a golden sign. It's the one of Einstein. You can open it, have a look at it. Okay. Yeah, it's very cool. And if you like, I can give you a brochure with some additional information. For example, here, if you want to do like a self-guided tour, you can use the tour code, and then you will be guided through the whole building. It's round about 30 minutes.
30 minutes roundabout, yeah.
So then you will know more about the history of ETH. Otherwise, you just can use this map. Here we have an overview of the nicest things here. For example, as I said, the locker, then you have here the fountain, a little bit about the history of the fountain. You see
Which floor this one?
It's behind you.
Yeah, behind, that one, okay.
It's E floor, exactly. And here you have it in English, you see, it's always German and English. And then maybe you want to visit the library in H floor. Outside you have the polyterrace with the lights. And in the back we have two campus. It's Campus Hönkelberg. It's a little bit, I guess 20 minutes from here. We have a bus which goes directly to it. Yes.
Bus is going there, no?
There is the main building of architecture and I guess biology
But
also.
this whole area is calling Old Town, no?
So here you are in the center city.
The center city.
Downstairs, no, not downstairs, but if you go down,
Yeah.
there is the old town.
The
It's
old
called
town.
Niederdorf.
Okay.
Yes. If you want to use the polygon.
Yeah, I came from the poly. I came
okay.
from.
So then you were already in the old town.
Okay.
Here it's not anymore the old town.
Okay.
But here, if you want to have this map, you see also which building belongs to which department. All these buildings belongs to the center campus. You are here in HG, the main building.
Yeah.
And all these buildings are from the center.
Okay.
And here you have the same for Henkenberg, but I don't know if you want to go there.
Oh,
it's
okay.
more modern.
Okay.
It's not
Yeah. Okay.
historical like that.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Daw ko sila sa Switzerland ito lang. Dahil university do, dahil canteen dahil. Daw ko engineering university do. Kita video ko dapat wala kan dia. Sudah dorus kalau sih. Switzerland. ده جي زوس انجينيرنج يونيفرسيتي في سويسرلاند كي تغير توب فلور لرغلا يوم ودكتورة سويسرلاند نزارة دي هنا دو